Hey guys, it's the first owner of the channel here. Today we're playing It Follows. Let's a couple of friends. Let's go!
Alright, Money.
Oh,
no,
it's another one of those.
I'm actually recording this. Say hello to YouTube.
I'm gonna record this.
Yo.
I'm already recording. Too late. I'm not lagging.
Okay, we're both gonna record.
Yeah.
Everybody. Okay, everybody. Okay, I'm gonna start recording. Oh, dang it, bro. He pressed continue. Don't press it. I'm gonna start recording now. Now. Hello, everyone, and welcome to It Follows. But, before you watch, remember, this game contains scary sounds, jump scares, unsettling imagery, and flickering lights. Everything is local, so stay together. Private server recommended 65 to 100, blah, blah, blah. And me,
Read.
Mega Man, Money Manager, this guy, and Tangs are all gonna go and do the thing. So everybody... Okay, don't say that, and let's go. Continue.
No.
Wave. Hello? Let's go. Come on, Money. Sign up.
Dark as heck.
Bro, wait up!
Or... Oh, is that the pizza guy? Is a pizza here? Hey, yo, the pizza here? Is the pizza here without the pizza guy?
It's time for this.
Where's Money? Did he crash again? Swear to God if he did. On YouTube. Too. Yeah, he crashed.
We go this way.
I guess we... Yeah, yep, there he is. He crashed. I guess we go on. Come on, guys.
Was there two?
This is a very textured game. Oh, Money just came back.
I think we should stay together. He just came back. Of course he did. He just came back.
Yeah, he just came back. Yeah, we should stay together.
We should probably stay together. I know. I think we should. We can't go this way.
I think we should go this way. Yeah, I don't think we can even go that way.
I'm gonna...
This is an odd room. Button.
Press the button.
Okay. There's a button right here.
Oh! What's that? What's that?
Spooky Man. Hello, Spooky. Oh, that was the pizza guy. He was probably trying to find us to give us the pizza. But then he got scared because he dropped the pizza, and we're gonna have to find him because he dropped the pizza.
This path was never open.
Hey, here's Money. Hey, man.
Wait.
Here, come on. Yeah, we gotta get over here. Oh yeah, the pizza guy is trying to kill us because we forgot to give him the money. That's the lore of this game. Like, the pizza guy tries to come in, he drops the pizza and gets scared and run away. And I'm guessing that we never paid for the pizza. So...
Who didn't pay for the
kill us because we didn't pay for the pizza. Come here, man.
Who even got pizza? I never even bought pizza.
I ordered the pizza. It was extra pepperoni, but I guess he dropped it and he said we had to pay. But no, yeah, there's a button over there. Go press it.
Money, press this one.
You have to press the button.
Then
it didn't look the pizza guys. The pizza guys here. Yes, the pizza guy. Yeah, but then he'll run away because he realizes that he forgot the pizza at home, and then he tries to get it back. Or maybe he dropped it, like I said earlier. It's just the pizza guy.
There's a button.
Yeah, come on.
That one's green.
Bro, I don't think you can play it. Okay, well, there's no wall here anymore. This looks like a backrooms level.
Everyone stay together.
Place
I am. I'm
lost
staying
again,
together.
I'm going to freak out.
Well, if you don't want to be lost, then don't get lost. If you don't want to get lost, then don't get lost. It's that simple. Also, why is this one extremely short?
I'm the king.
Oh, the people's of the phone.
Can you stop screaming?
That's fine.
Mommy, I'm here.
He takes after me. I scream.
Why don't you? Screaming is illegal in this world.
I make my controllers all headset up. Yeah.
Okay, there should be a button in here somewhere, but where the actual heck is it? That is a freaking
footsteps.
button level. No, it's over here. It's over here. Yeah, here it is. Right here.
Money, come on.
Here it is. Right here. See?
Right over here.
You did get your flashlight, right? You all got your flashlight, right? You did?
Yeah.
Oh, you did? Okay, you all got your flashlight. Money, did you get your flashlight? Okay, let's go then. I'm pretty sure the pizza guy is about to appear again. Never mind. Well, the door's here.
I see him. I ain't moving a muscle.
You see? What'd you just say?
Hold up, can someone
I see him.
I didn't click it. Money, stay with me. Niggas.
Nice music.
Oh, it just repeats. I don't even think the YouTube viewers can even hear that because of all of it. So do we go in? Where's everyone? Bro, where is everyone?
Yeah.
Where did they
it's
go?
just me and you.
Money!
Hold on.
Money!
I'll check.
Come on.
What are you doing?
I had to press the button again.
Again? Come on, guys. We got to go.
In this facility and initiated a
From what?
lockdown on all exit and entrance
Number
doors.
one.
I think we go into the
This
portals.
means that there is an entity that is locked in.
The pizza man is extremely big for some reason. Maybe he has the pizza.
Pizza man, what? Are you?
Hey, I got the
Why you mad at us?
You got the pizza man. You're a bit big. Does that mean you can get big pizza?
Why you mad
He's
at us?
extremely big, isn't he? Does that mean you get giant pizza since he's giant?
I think we're supposed to find.
I think we have to like just keep moving, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe he gives us the pizza if we get close enough. Wait, we're going uphill. What is he doing up there? He's not giving me the pizza.
Please stand by myself.
Come on,
I'm
Money,
a
don't stay by yourself. You're way too young to stay by yourself. I can hear by your I can hear. What's that noise? Oh. Wait, is that the pizza? Is that the pizza?
Oh shit, I lost my flashlight.
That's just a button. Where's my pizza?
Been alerted about an unknown entity.
guess I lost my flashlight.
Initiated a lockdown on all
Wait.
exit and
You don't have a
entrance doors.
flashlight?
This means that there is an entity
If
that
you
is
don't have a
locked
flashlight,
in
you're
and
screwed.
visitors waiting to jump at them at any moment.
I'm going to
Safety
record.
lockdown protocols, you will have to travel
You want
through all of the
these
nuclear fission portals and find all of the buttons to disable the lockdown doors. But be careful, it follows. Hello, the facility has been alerted about an unknown...
Let's go.
Why did you order pizza?
I was hungry. I needed pizza. I didn't want to cook. I was hungry.
What?
I shine the light at you. You are normal. I don't shine the light at you. You become extreme black, but you glow in the dark. I don't know. It's just a nice feature.
You know what? This is not the right time to record from.
Why is it raining pizza sauce? It's still raining pizza sauce.
No, but this is not the right time to record.
What the heck? Why?
What was that?
At least I can't see it. It's like it's dark as heck. But you know.
Better not look at that.
Come on, guys.
Look at that. I already know what that is.
Get our pizza
I
box.
already know what that is.
Come on, let's go. Wait up.
Still raining pizza blood. It's not blood, guys. It's pizza sauce.
Yeah, it's definitely pizza sauce for YouTube appropriate.
This is the right time to record. Not the right time to record.
Let's go down the alleyway.
I failed.
Faster.
We're finding the whole bus.
The weird butt.
Said what I meant.
What are you doing?
Did you ever think about being in possibly any of these windows?
There isn't.
Wait,
Or Mark.
If you haven't noticed, I keep saying that, but it's true. It's not blood. It's pizza sauce.
it's raining pizza sauce.
I just want my pizza.
Why'd you order a pizza?
Because I was hungry. I wanted pizza with some garlic sauce.
Like 7 a.m.?
Come on, I was hungry. I woke up late and I was hungry. I needed some pizza.
We're gonna
So I'm guessing we got back from our house. The pizza guy came. He's like, oh no,
It's like a later.
he says we have to pay for it though.
Here's the wall.
Don't draw this map.
That's just a wall.
Get our actual pizza. I'm looking for my pizza so I can pay for it. And if I don't get my pizza, I'm not paying. Yeah, we. Pizza sauce. Wait, what's that?
It uses the concepts at time to get a hold of you. That's not creepy at all.
Hey, look, that's the pizza guy. You have my pizza? Hey, you got my pizza? Why do you look like Barney?
Do I have to click it? Wait, guys, hold on. Shit. I lost my flashlight!
Did they just get rid of our flashlight? Like, what's up with... Oh. I guess he didn't have the flashlight. I guess he didn't have the pizza. I don't think we're supposed to go ask them for pizza. Yeah, I think we are supposed to avoid them. Since we didn't pay for the pizza, but they never gave me the pizza. Let's go over here. The path is clear over here. Also, The pizza sauce just stopped in the air. Sorry. Okay, another
I
pizza
think
guy.
we don't.
There's a lot of pizza.
Wait,
Look.
guys, right there, right there. Go, go,
Over here, come on, 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 come on.
go,
Wait,
go,
Yeah.
go, go, go. My flashlight.
Yeah,
in
dude.
this facility and initiated a lockdown
I
on
guess
all
Come on,
that's
let's
the last
go.
one.
whoop.
Oh, that's not creepy at all.
Where's my
I don't have my
flashlight?
flashlight anymore. Come on.
Again?
I guess it's just extremely dark now for some reason. Why are you thinking?
Like, I wasn't. Like, follow the light. Follow the light.
Follow the light. Okay.
Wait. There was a light over there. It was telling.
The music kind of hits hard.
I'm just gonna follow those name tags because I can't see it.
Come on, guys. I can smell that.
Come on.
Is that wrong? I swear to God, I hate something.
That is money.
Pizza. Pizza victory.
Pizza. This is the pizza. Yeah.
I can't see. How do I get? I don't see a thing. Ah! Have idiot. You have to try my house. Thanks. I have to try my stuff up.
was fun playing with my boyfriend and his friends, but I got scared. So, anyways. Also, I was stupid enough to respawn